Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to send money from USA to Philippines with GCash App. If you want to send money from the USA to the Philippines, use Wise. Make sure to watch until the end. First, sign up for Wise. Then scroll to New and open a new balance. Search for the Philippines and click on the icon, then select Add. Next, enter the amount you want to send. You can pay via bank transfer, debit card, Apple Pay, credit card, or Swift. Once done, click Send. Now, click Add a Recipient, search for the Philippines, and select it. You'll need to provide the recipient's details. There are two options. Local bank account. Enter the recipient's full name. Select their bank name. Enter their account number. Provide their address and city. E-wallet. Enter the recipient's full name. Select their e-wallet provider. Enter their e-wallet number. Provide their city. This is how you can easily send money to the Philippines using Wise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.